talk about what Kourtney Kardashian put in these gummies. We have the Lemme Glow ones and the Lemme Curd. I just haven't seen what they look like. They're these peach tasting gummies that are so good. And these are meant to be for your hair, skin, and nails. First of all, skin, glowing. Nails, these are my natural nails. Hair is where I probably noticed the biggest difference in like the month that I've been using these. I cut my hair like a month and a half ago. You can see the picture right here. My hair has grown so fast. Like even in a month, the fact that I've noticed any growth is crazy. We love this one. Now let's talk about Lemme Curd. I love a sweet treat, but sometimes I love a sweet treat a little bit too much, especially in the winter time. In the office, I would always go to the vending machine and get a bunch of snacks, and I feel like I've just not been really needing to do that recently. These aren't gummies though, they're like swallow pills, so they don't taste like anything, but I know they're made with like a super greens blend, broccoli, spinach, Brussels sprouts, so we love both of these.